Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new videos about cartoon animation and 10 best animation director who transition to live action. So today we'll discuss about 10 best animation direction who transites to live action. Okay, so let's start our today's video. The visionaries behind the best in animation shamelessly transitioned to live action movies. Here are the top animation director who made the jump. Okay, it is a tricky feat for an animator to transition to live action filmmaking. It is a huge leap to go from one filmmaking medium to another, but this seems to be trend with How to Train Your Dragon director Carrie Sanders and DeBlois helming directional efforts for Call of the Wild and Micronauts respectively. Okay, related 10 animated kids movie that pushed the GC rating. Okay, so it is worth acknowledging the directors that started from animation and made a shameless transition to live action, where they easily employ their aesthetics with real life elements. Here are the best animation director who transition to live action movies and TV shows. Number 10 is Rob Minkoff. Okay, this is Mr. Rob Minkoff. Rob Minkoff got his start in Walt Disney Animation Studios as an in-between artist for the Black Cauldron. He got his first directorial efforts in Start Little and Start Little 2, which received a positive reception. He returned to Disney with directing the Edel Murphy comedy, The Haunted Mansion. Okay, thought he's directed less successful live action film with The Forbidden Kingdom and Flooper. He returned to animation with the DreamWorks time-traveling adventure Mr. Peabody and Sherman to limited success. Okay, number 9 is Seth MacFarlane. Okay, the Family Guy creator who had a background in animation from his Hanna-Barbera days utilized the success of his Fox show for his first live action effort with Ted, which gained massive critical and box office success. He then followed this success with A Million Ways to Die in the West and Ted 2, which achieved middling to negative reception. Okay, but ever since then, Seth MacFarlane balanced out his effort in both Family Guy and American Dad with the science fiction satire The Orville. The critical acclaim till its sound season. The show will return for a third season in Hulu, and he even served acting roles in the Steven Soderbergh heist movie Logan Lucky and the Roger Ailes content Showtime Minster The Loudest Voice. He also produced the SFI Dictionary series commerce. Okay, that's all of our today's video. In our next video, we'll also try to discuss about this, and thank you very much for watching our today's video. If you like these types of video, then please subscribe our YouTube channel to get notification of our new videos. Thank you very much for watching.